Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by assembling the exact inputs and tools you need. Connect a clean dataset to your chosen library, D3, Vegalite, or Plotly, so you can drive animation frames from real values. Once done, normalize ranges and pick easing curves. This prevents jumps and keeps motion smooth. Make sure to map one main metric to size or color and time to the x-axis or discrete frames. You'll be ready to prototype a single animated unit, which you then iterate on. Now you build the pipeline that turns data into motion. You write a frame generator that samples timestamps or keyframes, typically aiming for 24-30 FPS for smooth playback. Once generated, interpolate each property, position, size, color, using linear, cubic, or spring easing. That's why you see natural acceleration versus robotic steps. Make sure to layer static elements like axes and legends separately, and use request animation frame or a render loop. Finish by optimizing and exporting. Reduce point density or switch to WebGL when CPU hits limits, and choose GIF, MP4, or interactive HTML depending on your audience. Once done, add controls, play, pause, scrub, and annotate key events. Make sure to profile memory and frame drops on target devices, and compress assets without killing legibility. If things go wrong, isolate the failing step, revert to a single frame render, then reintroduce interpolation. That narrows bugs quickly and prevents wasted work.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.